Hello everyone. Today, we are diving into the fascinating history of the Indian rupee against the US dollar, from its colonial roots to the challenges of the modern economy. Before India's independence in 1947, the Indian rupee was tied to the British pound sterling, as India was under British colonial rule. The rupee's value was indirectly influenced by global events that affected the pound. Initially, the rupee was a silver-based currency. But, during the British rule, it was pegged to the gold standard via the British pound. At this point, the exchange rate with the US dollar was roughly 1 Indian rupees to 1 US dollar, since the USD was also linked to gold. In 1947, after India gained independence, the rupee retained its peg to the British pound and indirectly to the US dollar. For the first 2 decades, there was no significant devaluation, and the exchange rate remained around 1 Indian rupees is equal to 1 US dollar. However, economic challenges started to take a toll. India was struggling with low industrialization, and a heavy reliance on imports put pressure on the rupee. In 1966, after facing wars, droughts, and a fiscal crisis, the Indian government was forced to devalue the rupee by 57%, with 1 US dollar now equaling 7.50 INR. During the 1970s and 1980s, India entered an era of economic stagnation. The government maintained a controlled exchange rate system, which kept the rupee's value artificially stable. However, external shocks, like the oil crisis of the 1970s, strained the economy and weakened the rupee. By 1985, the value of the rupee slipped to 1 US dollar equal to 12 Indian rupees. As India faced high inflation, trade deficits, and rising oil prices, the economy continued to struggle. In 1991, India faced a severe balance of payments crisis. The country had only 2 weeks' worth of foreign exchange reserves, and the government had to pledge gold reserves to secure emergency funds from the IMF. To stabilize the economy, India devalued the rupee twice in 1991, with the exchange rate moving from 1 US dollar equal to 17.50 rupees to 1 US dollar equal to 26 rupees. Alongside the devaluation, India undertook critical economic reforms, liberalizing trade, opening up to foreign investments, and making India's economy more market-driven. In 1993, India moved to a market-determined exchange rate system, allowing the rupee to float based on supply and demand. By 2000, the rupee had depreciated to 1 US dollar equal to 45 rupees, reflecting India's trade deficits and external economic vulnerabilities. This era also witnessed the Indian economy growing rapidly, especially in the tech and service sectors, as the country became a hub for outsourcing and global investments. During the beginning of 21st century, India experienced an economic boom, especially between 2004 and 2007, driven by foreign investments and robust growth. At one point, the rupee even appreciated to 1 US dollar equal to 39 rupees in 2007. However, the global financial crisis of 2008 hit hard. The collapse of Lehman Brothers led to capital flight, and the rupee depreciated sharply, reaching 1 USD equal to 50 rupees by 2009. In the 2010s, the Indian rupee faced more challenges. In 2013, the taper tantrum, caused by the US Federal Reserve's announcement to taper its quantitative easing program, sent the rupee plummeting to 1 US dollar equal to 68 rupees. India also undertook key reforms like the implementation of the Goods and Services Tax (GST), and demonetization. While these aimed to strengthen the economy long-term, they had mixed short-term effects. Rising oil prices also added pressure, as India remains heavily dependent on oil imports. The COVID-19 pandemic in 2020 caused a global economic downturn, and India was no exception. The rupee weakened to $1 equal to 76 rupees as exports fell and capital outflows increased. But as the global economy began recovering, rising inflation and interest rate hikes by the US Federal Reserve drove the rupee to new lows of $1 equal to 83 to 84 rupees by 2024. Despite these challenges, India remains one of the fastest growing economies globally, with initiatives like Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat aiming to reduce import dependence and boost exports. There are several factors that influence the rupee-dollar exchange rate. These include trade deficits, foreign investment flows, global economic conditions, and government policies. Events like wars, pandemics, and financial crises can also have significant impacts. A strong US dollar, being the world's reserve currency, often puts downward pressure on emerging market currencies like the rupee. Looking ahead, the future of the Indian rupee will depend on India's ability to boost exports, reduce trade deficits, and implement sustained economic reforms. The global economy, oil prices, and US interest rates will also continue to play a crucial role in shaping the rupee's trajectory. India's economic growth, driven by innovation and policies aimed at self-reliance, will likely keep the country resilient in the face of global challenges.